What are you doing? How do you open the door? Are you going to play in the attic?
Yeah.
How do you open the door?
Mom, on my ship.
Where?
On my ship.
In your crib.
On page 47. Mom, I was on page 47.
Now why? As soon as you recorded it,
Mom,
can't get.
I was on page 47. Mom, I was on page 47.
Say hi to the camera.
Say
Page
hi.
47?
Yep.
Watch Ethan open up the attic door. Watch. What kind of animal are you, Ethan?
Lion.
No, monkey.
Monkey.
You open the attic door?
Yeah. What are you doing? You getting back out? Yeah. I'm watching. Then you're going to open it up. I'll open it up for you. Yeah.